It's like just like last time, right? No.
Yeah, they got some interesting stuff, that's for sure.
A couple of them here got some hot rods in them. Those guys always seem to pay.
Yeah.
$20,000
They're good ones, yeah.
$20, no problem.
Yeah, those are the ones everybody waits for.
The ones that are packed full.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I highly doubt these people will pay.
I do see a lot of fishing poles up here in Paradise.
Oh yeah. There's no fish, but you know, there's a lot of retired people. Like, what the hell?
You got poles, but no fish. That's
Yeah.
good.
Now, there's a couple little lakes up here, and Feather River's got salmon and stuff, and salmon season comes.
Oh, so those are the fishing spots around here, huh?
Yeah, there's a couple. At least it's pretty, you know. Like when you're in Sac, you go somewhere and there's always somebody else there. You know?
Yeah, yeah.
You know, if you go up to the lake up here, you can go around a corner and be by yourself. I kind of like that.
Huh. Might have to take a trip up here to Paradise.
There's a little lake up there, Paradise Lake.
Okay.
Take my little, no motors are allowed, so just aluminum boats, you know, electric motor or something. Really nice. Like there's eagle.
Any like offshore fishing places?
Yeah.
Can you do it there too?
Yeah, you can just take the boat out and cruise around. Oh, there's a TV at least. That's good.
Yeah. Flat screen. That's even better. Kickers, does it work?
Yeah. It'll work to be wherever you're living now, right? I helped some old guy move out here. The guy's like 90. They had 5 flat screens in there.
Wow.
What do you do these for? I go, oh, I got one every Now, work that important, you know?
Gotta have something to keep them entertained.
Yeah. This thing's been locked for like 2 months already. Do you fish or anything?
I do in Sac, but just off the shores, river and Sacramento River, and
I always lose so.
and the Delta.
Yeah, in the Delta Zone. My friend lives down in Lodi, so
Oh, okay.
I go down there. Because, yeah, I lived in Stockton and Sac. Every time I move, I just move north. Started in LA.
Just keep moving up.
Yeah. But I want to stay in California.
Here you go.
I like it here.
How long were you in Sac?
Oh, like 10 or 12 years. I lived over by
Oh, okay.
Thomas over off Norwood, you know, north of the freeway. It was a brand new house when I moved in. Everything was nice, and by the time I left, it was like the hood, man. You know, we had helicopters flying over, you know. They don't have that here. They don't even have a helicopter that I know of.
Really?
Usually if you're a helicopter, it's something to do with a fire or PG&E or something. You know, they don't have a police.
Huh.
I
Well,
think they said there's only
guess there's not too much crime you could do in Paradise.
usual crap. This is tweaker, stealer, this type of stuff. That's a bad thing.